Does anyone know what this is?
What is it?
It is called a Tesla coil, named after the genius inventor Nikola Tesla. So it's basically a machine capable of building a great deal of electrostatic force inside of the, or electrostatic charge right inside of this little ball here. Everyone say ooh. Let's say ah. Let's say ee like you're scared of it. It's okay. The odds of you getting injured by this is very, very small. Look how many people are in the room. It's probably going to happen to someone else, not you. If it happens to you, I apologize. But I'm innocent until proven guilty. Now, this basically creates a large electromagnetic field around it. And it's large enough to, if I was within a couple of feet of it, it would arc towards me and electrocute me, and trust me, from personal experience, no. So, I have Mr. Ruler instead to help me out. And this machine makes a little bit of noise and causes some sparks, so brace yourself. Lights. Thank you. Ready? I don't know, should we do this? I can't, you do it, you do it. You should see the look on your face. Here we go. Now, for those of you who are expecting giant sparks to shoot on this, I apologize, but the thing is, it shows how far away the electric field moves from this. You can see that you're pretty much in there. So basically what's happening is, this is just a fluorescent bulb. The fluorescent bulbs work by moving a current through them. The electrostatic force from this machine is circling through the air, creating basically a circuit, an invisible circuit. And you can work on other things. This little case in here is full of neon gas. And it doesn't have any circuitry set up like this light. Yet, it still is excited by the electrostatic force. All right.
It's called an acid candle. Can you guys all see that? Candles? It is a glowing thingy. Can you see it? Maybe if you stand up a little bit, you can see it. This is an acid candle, and I don't even know how expensive this was to build, but it was pretty expensive to build, they tell us, but we're really lucky to have it. It's really special because it's not hot at all, so I can kind of just finger in there. Is that nice? Doesn't hurt. It also is really interesting because it doesn't eat oxygen at all, so I can cover this up. You can't use it directly from it, so I cover up the glass. Nothing, right? So, as a matter of fact, it doesn't even need air. Fill up with water. At home. It's a really cheap device. All you need is a piece of glass and
last time you guys saw me shove a bunch of current through a little tiny wire. This time I have something a little different. I want to put some current through it. A pickle. So pickles are made with a lot of salt, and so they're pretty conductive on the inside. And so if I try to send a current through them, what do you think is going to happen?
You light up.
It does light up. Very good, very good.
It smells bad. It smells very
I think it smells kind of good. We'll see.
Barbecue.
Lights on for a second. Probably not going to die. Let's see. All right, go ahead. Lights. Thank you. All right. It might take a couple seconds to go down. Lights.
That's about pickle.
awesome.
So you guys can see a very yellow color, and this is from the sodium ions being excited and then giving off the yellow light as energy. And this is kind of the same color you see in street lamps that use sodium as well. So that's how you can kind of tell based on the color what kind of ions are giving off the energy. And lights back on again.
But how does it taste?
Amazing.
So, how many of you have seen one of these before? Okay, good. So I don't need to do it. I'll do it. So, you may have wondered how this might work, right? You can shoot seemingly a bullet of air that you can't see, right? So this works on the principle of when you fill this big tube up with air and you force it down through this funnel, you get out the end a vortex, which is essentially just a, if you've ever seen some people blow a smoke ring, or not since the 50s, but and this is just essentially a self-sustaining wave, a self-perpetuating wave that it's really great. You can use it to shoot people, and people with hair, you have hair.